Solve 1 plus tan x cos x equal to 2 cos square x, where x lies between 0 to 360 degrees. They told you to solve. So you should find the values for x satisfying this equation, and also it should lie from 0 to 360 degrees. Now given equation is 1 plus tan x cos x equal to 2 cos square x. Now here you have tan. So first you change tan to sin by cos. So we get 1 plus, in place of tan x I write sin x by cos x times cos x equal to 2 cos square x. Now this cos and this cos cancel out, I get 1 plus sin x equal to 2 cos square x. Okay, next I bring all the terms to one side. What I mean is 2 cos square x should be removed from this side. So to remove 2 cos square x from here, you subtract 2 cos square x on both sides. So we get 1 plus sin x minus 2 cos square x equal to 0. Now, in this trigonometric equation, we have two trigonometric ratios. They are sine and cos, but there should be only one trigonometric ratio. So to make this equation into one trigonometric ratio, I cannot write sine in terms of cos, but we can definitely write cos square in terms of sine square with the help of this identity. Cos square x plus sine square x equal to 1. We want cos square, so sine square x should be removed. So subtract sine square x on both sides. So we get cos square x equal to 1 minus sine square x. So now in place of cos square x you put this over here. We get 1 plus sin x minus 2. In place of cos square x, this 1 minus sin square x equal to 0. Now you open up the bracket in this way. Many do the mistake here. They just open up with 2. You have to open up with minus 2. Many miss the negative sign. You should not miss. So minus 2 into 1 is minus 2, minus minus plus, we get 2 sin square x. Now I write this in proper quadratic equation. What I mean is, first sin square term, that is 2 sin square x. Next sin x. After that constants, plus 1 minus 2 will result in minus 1 equal to 0. In this equation you have sin x and also sin square x. So what I do is I take sin x equal to y. Square on both sides, we get sin square x equal to y square. Now replace these two in this equation. This now becomes 2. In place of sin square x, y square. In place of sin x, y, minus 1 equal to 0. Now we got quadratic. Put this in the calculator to get the values for y. So we get y equal to 1 by 2 and minus 1. So y is nothing but sin x. Replace that. So sin x equal to 1 by 2 sin x equal to minus 1. Now to get the values for x, here we have sin and here it is positive. So now you check in what all quadrants is sin positive. It is all silver teacups. Sin is positive in the first and in the second. To get an angle in the first, we do directly sin inverse 1 by 2. To get an angle in the second, we should do 180 minus sin inverse 1 by 2. Now here, to get the values for x, we have sin and it is negative. So in what all quadrants is sin negative? It is negative in the third and in the fourth. To get an angle in the third, we should do 180 plus sin inverse 1. To get an angle in the fourth, we should do 360 minus sin inverse 1. Remember this, the negative sign is used only for selecting the quadrants. Once you have selected the quadrants, do not place negative sign again here. Remember that. Now, put this in the calculator, you should get 30 degrees. Put this in the calculator, you should get 150. Put this in the calculator, you get 270. Put this in the calculator, you get 270. So finally x values are 30, 150, 270. This is our answer. Am I clear?